Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your Safari browser history on the M4 iPad. So the first step is to launch settings, and under settings scroll and select apps, and then under apps look for Safari, then select that option as well. Then from here look for the option clear history and website data. So what you want to do is tap on it, and then you can specify which time frame you want to delete, as well as choosing if you want to close all the tabs. So for the time frame, you can choose for the last hour or for today, yesterday, all history, it's up to you. And then simply tap on clear history when you're done with this, and your Safari history will be deleted. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.